Fantastic news. Not so much of a bad day anymore. The HR is finally fixed. There's so many things. I still got stuff to do to it, but it's finally fixed. I'm gonna have to test drive it some more. I cranked it up and it didn't pop a service engine, check engine code immediately. You guys just don't understand. If you know about Z's, random misfires, they will drive you insane. Pay one of my buddies to replace the manifold, the O2 sensors, cam sensor, one coil pack was going bad, changed that. Another coil, crank it up, another coil pack popped up, replaced that. I'm gonna do some other things. Oh, all the spark plugs, change those. I'm gonna order a catback exhaust. And these coilovers bad. I hate this ride height, but I'm not too much worried about that. So thank goodness it is finally running right. It doesn't have the random misfire code popping up. Doesn't sound like crap. The only reason I can't test drive it right now, one, the tire is flat. It's crap. And two, that BMW is in the way. And it's heavy, so I'm not pushing it by myself. But I can finally drive it, clean it up, wash it, clean the headlights, fix the bumper, get a lip kit. I feel comfortable starting to do some things while I'm still fixing on it. All right, I'm out for right now. I ain't got nothing else to talk about. I'm tired, I'm going home.